Hello guys, skating hips is one of my favorite things to do in a skateboarding. You can learn lots of tricks at hips you can do afterwards on flat. Sometimes it's easier to do some tricks on hips than on flat. Today we're going to start with the ollies. First, you need to know how to roll through the hip. But first, let's get confidence. Go fast so you don't run out of speed going up the ramp. Your board must point upward or straight the ramp. When you're running out of speed, turn towards the floor. Once you have confidence, instead of going upwards and then kick turn to get out of the pyramid, just cross the hip. For me, it's easier to cross the hip on the higher part or the middle of the ramp. Practice it until you feel safe doing it. Now let's practice with ollies, using the same steps as rolling through the ramp. Go fast. Attack the pyramid with your board looking upward or straight to the ramp. Then pivot to get out of the ramp. Then, once you have it, cross the pyramid with no pivot. Once you master it, you can do high ollies or try different tricks. I hope you liked the video and found it useful. See you in the next video.